easy and delicious veggie stock. This stock makes a great replacement for beef stocks in recipes. The ingredients are simple: baby portobello mushrooms, also known as cremini mushrooms, celery, carrots, red onion, and then to add a bit more umami flavor, I'm using these Yanjiang salted fermented black beans, salt, and a small amount of liquid aminos. Chop the celery, chop the carrots, halve and quarter the onion, chop the mushrooms in half. Oh yes, and don't forget a little bit of thyme. Alright, let's cook it up. Add the oil to the Instant Pot, add in the onions, fry for a little bit, add in the celery and the carrots, and continue to fry for a little bit longer. Add in the mushrooms, and fry for a bit longer to bring out the flavors of the vegetables. Add in 6 cups of water. Add in the fermented black beans, and stir. And again, don't forget the time. Close the Instant Pot and cook under low pressure for 12 minutes. I usually just use the rice button setting. Open up the pot. Carefully remove the inner pot and then strain out the vegetables. Add in your liquid aminos and salt, and give it one final stir. The broth is great to just drink right out of a bowl if you're ready for some delicious broth, or you can easily portion it out, let it cool, and freeze it for future use.